Bonjour mes étudiants, comment ça va? J'espère que tu vas bien, moi aussi je vais très bien. Aujourd'hui, on va faire une autre lettre de classe 10e. So let's begin with another letter of class 10. Écrivez une lettre à votre cousin, cousine. Dire ce qu'il peut faire pour protéger l'environnement. So this lesson is all about environment. You might have already done the culture of this letter by this time. If you have not done, please ensure that you complete the culture and civilization because that's going to help you write the letter well. Okay, like I told you earlier, your letters, most of the time, they are related to the culture and civilization. So please ensure that you just memorize the 8 chapters, okay? You can even go and watch the translation of those lessons in one of my playlists. So let's begin with today's video. Like, I think by this time you all are aware that what is the format of the letter? We write the place followed with date. Date is always written with l'article défini, très bien. Then you write dear, and then we begin with the letter. Letters are generally divided into 3 paragraphs: the beginning paragraph, the content of the letter, and the ending paragraph. So let's begin. First paragraph, j'ai reçu ta lettre dans laquelle tu m'as demandé mes idées pour sauver notre planète. Voici mes suggestions. So I received your letter in which you have asked me my ideas for saving our planet. Here are my suggestions. So this is how you can begin the letter. There are different types of beginnings. You can use any one of them. I've used this one. If you want, you can write some other beginning, share it in the comments below, and I'll check it for you. Okay. And then we begin with the middle paragraph. That's the topic. How your friend can save the environment. Please remember one more thing. This letter is all about telling your friend how he or she can protect the environment. We can also get a letter where it's been asked to you how you can protect the environment. So that letter will be in je form. This letter is all in you should do this, okay, or one should do this, it's necessary to do this, like this, okay. So whenever we write the letter by for giving suggestions, you can always remember, okay, I'll write it over here. Momo, you can always remember that whenever you give suggestions, you can always use tu dois, you can use il faut, okay, or you can use imperative tense whenever you give any suggestions. Out of 3 of them, all 3 means the same thing, right? You must do this, it's necessary to do this, and imperative. Okay, imperative is also used for giving suggestions. So let's see. Pour assurer la survie et donc l'avenir de l'humanité. For assuring the survival and hence the future of mankind, il est indispensable de protéger l'environnement. It's important to protect the environment. Tout ce que nous mangeons, tout ce que nous mangeons et buvons proved de la nature. Okay, so whatever we eat and drink, it comes from the nature. So il faut protéger notre source de nourriture. It's necessary to protect our source of food and drinking water. D'eau potable is drinking water. Il faut limiter notre impact sur le climat. It's necessary to limit your impact on the climate while reducing the emission of gas à effet de serre, the emission of greenhouse effect. On doit recycler les objets. We must recycle the objects. On peut acheter des produits durables et reutilisables. We must also buy products which are durable and reusable. That can be used again and again. On peut réduire la utilisation de sacs en plastique. We can reduce the usage of plastic bags. And it's also necessary to reduce the usage of electricity. Right now, I've not mentioned the 3rd paragraph. I want you to mention the 3rd paragraph. Okay, I've done so many letters. I have a complete playlist of the letters. I've done so many letters there. Okay. This is probably the fifth or the sixth one. The last paragraph I've not mentioned. I want you to try that, those 2, 3 lines in the comments below, so that by this time, are we aware how can we end the letter? Okay. Like I told you last time also, you can end the letter by asking a question. So here you are giving suggestions. You can end by asking your friend, okay, so these are my suggestions. What do you do for protecting the environment? If you want that, one option. If you don't want that, second option, you can ask your friend, what are you doing these days? Okay. Tell me, I'm waiting for your reply. Next option. Third option can be, instead of asking something or saying something, what you can do is you can directly say, okay, give my greetings to your parents. You can even say that. So there are multiple endings. I want you to try the endings. I'll be waiting for your reply in the comments below. Do try how you can end this letter. Okay. So that is why I've not written the ending this time. Okay. In all my letters, I write the ending. Okay. So the ending is for you. Okay, so that I know that you're watching these videos and you're learning from it. And do remember, when you watch this video, pause it and keep writing each and every sentence in your practice notebook so that it's clear. Okay, so I hope this letter helps you, and keep practicing. Bon chance. I'll see you in the next video. Au revoir. Bon Diwali.